Yeah, bless up and big up on yourself, my people. You don't know once again. So these are places where you can take your family to go and have fun. To the park. You understand what I say? When I say park, I'm not talking about no regular park. I'm talking about 3 miles long, full of event. You understand? Real nice. You see what I say? Mad something. And that I love, you understand? I like to spend time with my family, with my kids, you understand? And just do things together. Right now they can't because they're in school. Today is school, so them can't be with us. You understand what I say? I do this on a regular basis. You know, it's a every day. I love to see, you know, everything in nature. It's a beautiful look and a beautiful vibes, you know. Yeah, so we just keep endorsing the thing to the fullest. Yeah, them sometimes is place where we come and we cook and we eat and relax ourselves and check out the water and we do all type of things. You understand what I say? Mad something. So the thing go, you see me? So we just have to just keep do the thing like that. Yeah. More time we come and we throw a fish line to one. So if we catch 2 fish, you don't know we can roast or fry. Yeah. Properly with some sweet pepper and season up thing with scallion and thyme and them stuff there. Make the thing well nice. May I say? Yeah. Check it out. So you don't know, you know? That's the way how we do things. Yeah, so nice. So right now I'm just doing in my midday walk. Do my little exercise. We have long length of mile roads all over the whole of the place. We have whole heap of road where we can walk and do we thing and feel nice. Yeah. Feel nice getting out the house, feel nice, you know, jogging, walking, running, you name it. Whichever one you want, like, you just do it. Look at the water, it's beautiful. Wow. It's amazing. Love the water. Yeah, I'm coming like a fish. Yeah. Just want to be in the water, you see me? Constantly. Yeah. But that's how the thing go, you know? Yeah. So we just wanna do about a mile walk. About a mile. You know, just strictly walking. And, you know, catch we heart together. Make sure say pumping proper. That's about it, you see me? So you don't know, just go and big up on yourself, you know, and bless up on yourself, you know. Do some exercise and get out the house and do some running and do some time and spending time with the family. Nothing more important than that, because remember, we're not here forever, so we have to make sure we appreciate the little short moments of everything in life. You understand what I say? Yeah. Bless up on yourself.